let's solve this together. It says 16 raised to the power x is equal to 320. We're required to solve for the value of x in this question. Okay. Now, first things first, we can write out the multiples of 16. 16 here can be said to be equal to 2 raised to the power 4, and 320 can be said to be equal to, okay, we have 16 times 20. Recall that 16 is 2 raised to the power 4, and 20 is 4 times 5. Hence, our 320 here can be said to be equal to 2 raised to the power 4 multiplied by 2 squared multiplied by 5. 2 squared is 4. 2 squared times 2 raised to the power 4 is 2 raised to the power 6 multiplied by 5, and that's our 320. Now let's go ahead and replace 16 with 2 raised to the power 4 raised to the power of x to be equal to 2 raised to the power 6 multiplied by 5. When you have something like this, if you have a number raised to the power a number raised to the power another number, you multiply both powers. So we have 4 times x to be 4x. So we have 2 raised to the power 4x now to be equal to 2 raised to the power 6 multiplied by 5. Okay. Now this one, so you can take the logarithm of both sides. So we take the logarithm of 2 raised to the power 4x to be equal to logarithm of 2 raised to the power 6 multiplied by 5. Okay. Now, this logarithm you're going to take it in the base of the number carrying x. The number carrying x here is 2. So we're going to take the logarithm in base 2 of both sides. Okay. Now moving on from here, we can say that when you have something like this, when you have logarithm of a number raised to a power, you multiply that power and the log. So we have 4x multiplied by logarithm of 2 to base 2 to be equal to, on this other side, it's split up and put plus. So we have logarithm in base 2 of 2 raised to the power 6 plus logarithm of 5 to base 2. Okay? Now, at this point, we can say the logarithm of a number to its own base is 1. So we have 1 times 4x to be 4x to be equal to, on this side they multiply, so we have 6 multiplied by logarithm of 2 to base 2 plus logarithm of 5 to base 2. Okay? Now for here we have 4x to be equal to, logarithm of 2 to base 2 is 1, 1 times 6 is 6 plus logarithm of 5 to base 2. Now finally we have x to be equal to 6 divided by 4 plus 1 over 4 multiplied by logarithm of 5 to base 2. Okay? Now x here becomes equal to 3 over 2 plus 1 over 4 multiplied by logarithm of 5 to base 2. And this becomes the final answer to this question. Thanks for watching.
What's going on, guys? It's Fortune here editing this video. As you can see, about 99% of you guys are not subscribed to the channel, so please subscribe, like, comment and share my videos, as this helps to push my videos out to more viewers out there. The more you subscribe, the more viewers can see my videos, the more we grow in this community. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video.